PhoenixNAP is a global IT services organization with data centers in 15 countries around the world. We're really excited about partnering with VMware and offering world-class enterprise virtualization services and cutting-edge DR technologies to our consumers. PhoenixNAP Disaster Recovery, powered by VMware, is a really exciting technology that allows customers that consume vSphere on-premises to leverage us as a cloud provider without any additional software that they need to deliver or purchase for on-prem. We're seeing really exciting demand around cloud-based disaster recovery. And the crux of that is really no one wants to buy infrastructure, put it in a data center, and then wait to one day use it. And it's much easier to consume those types of technologies as a service, and it's easier than it's ever been before. Today, we're delivering vCloud availability for our on-premises customers so that they can replicate their data to one of our cloud services. And we're working with VMware to look at delivering that for cloud-to-cloud based disaster recovery, where we can protect a customer's workloads in one of our data centers in any one of our other data centers worldwide. PhoenixNAP chose to partner with VMware and its vCloud availability technology because it's simple and easy for our enterprise customers to consume. Anyone that's leveraging vSphere on premises today can, through a couple clicks, start protecting their virtual machines in a cloud-based disaster recovery service without adding any new costs for their service on-prem. Our enterprise customers at PhoenixNAP are looking for flexibility and a real cost savings over trying to do it themselves. They want to be able to capitalize on the technologies that they've purchased and integrated and consume new technologies that allow them to truly meet their total business continuity and disaster recovery strategy with one provider, one platform worldwide. We're really excited about vCloud availability because it finally is bringing us a solution that doesn't have any real added on-premises component. A customer can download an OVA from us, they can enter a few details and start replicating the virtual machines. No complicated networking, no complicated installation. They just start working on it and get it done in a few hours. For VMware's enterprise customers that are looking to be able to implement a cloud-based disaster recovery solution powered by VMware, it's really simple. You can go to VMware's cloud.vmware.com website, find a DRaaS-powered provider like PhoenixNAP, and with a few clicks, get in touch with one of our team, and we'll have you up and running in under 24 hours.